Hi guys, welcome back. Today I want to touch bases on how to create contours in Trimble Business Center. So let's get right into it. I have loaded up a quick topo we did for a lot the other day, and obviously we picked up a whole bunch of points and lines like break lines. So this already created a surface. We can take a quick peek at the surface here. Yeah, so there is a low point here and a little high berm there, if you can see it. What we want to take a look at is under surfaces there is create contours command. It's paid command, so if you don't have a license, unfortunately you won't be able to use. It's asking us which surface we want to use, so that's the only one. Asking us how do we want to name, and a contour interval. So at this point we can look at it. The low point here is 701 to 30, and we're going to 708, so we have about 8 meters. Just so we get nice contours, we're gonna go every 25 cents. Index contour frequency 5 layers. I usually do new layer, let's say FD. Yeah, oh, they are not FD, so I'm gonna go 0 contours, and I'll put in that whatever, February 08 2022 as OG. I'll just leave it in the layers. The next it's asking me color by layer, contour line by layer. Everything I can preset in my layers. The color contours by elevation we'll do the next one like that. Smooth contours, textile, you can change the textile for the labeling. I'll just go with this one. And distance between labels, I'm just gonna measure how wide is the side. It's about 66 meters, so I'm gonna go 70, so I don't have too many labels there. Once I have everything and I'm happy, this time I want to ask you to subscribe and find us on all the social channels, and let's keep on going. I'm just gonna hit OK, and if we did it correctly, as you can see, I'm just gonna turn off the import layers. Now we got a beautiful set of contours. Since I used my font which I have preset for my cut fill, as you can see I have the whiteout turned on, so you don't see that. Beautiful. Now the one thing I like even better is when you click this color contours by elevation. For some reason it just looks more pleasable to my eye, and I like it. So as you can see, it started at a low place with this whatever this color is, blue, and it went all the way up to this red color, right? So when you look at this, it's just, I don't know, for some reason looks really nice to me. I like the color transition, I like that. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next one.